Hi, and welcome back to our video series for tips and tricks for Microsoft Teams. My name is James Wilson, and I'm going to show you a few more tips and tricks right now. In our last video, we had a look at chat and some of the chat functionality in there, including translating foreign messages. Now, I just want to show you how to use some of the lesser known features within the Teams bar itself. What's really handy here is that you can actually reorganize your teams to make it a little easier for you to keep on top of the different teams that you participate in. So let me show you the options that are available to you. First off, you have the ability to hide teams. Can you see I've got these small arrows next to my teams, and I can collapse the whole lot if I want to, and I can open it back up again. And you can do the same for any of the teams themselves as well. So if they've got lots of channels, so this is a team, these are its channels, and I can just collapse that to make it a little easier perhaps to keep on top of all the different ones that I have. If there is a team that I'm not using an awful lot and I don't want to delete it, I don't want to leave it or remove it, but I don't necessarily need it prioritized, I can use the dots to the side, so these dots here, and I can hide the team. When you hide it, it's going to go and live in this box down here. You open it up and it will have your hidden teams within. So they're still there, you can still use them, but they're not going to be so visible. You can also reorder your teams by clicking and holding the left mouse button and dragging them around on a list. And that will enable you to prioritize some of the teams that you use. But it might not be the entire team that you want to use. It might just be a channel within a team. So if I'm, for instance, very heavily involved with this design channel, what I can do is, again, I can go to these dots and I can actually pin this channel specifically. So when you select pin, it's going to then move that and it will live up in the top half of my menu. It will just pin that essentially, eventually. There we go. So it's pinned now to the top, and I can, if I want to, actually hide the rest of that team. I don't need that now because the channel that was important to me is now pinned at the top. So you can use pinning and hiding to make changes to how your teams work. You can also reorder the teams just to make sure that you've got the priorities right for you. Now, you can clearly also remove a team, you can delete it, you can leave it, but these are some of the options that are a little bit less aggressive for you to start out with, and perhaps we'll come to some of those others a bit later on. Thanks very much for watching, and good luck with Microsoft Teams. Perhaps we'll see you in another video in the future. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.